What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on OCGN ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will show you some good fundamental news that might affect the price of this ticker in a positive manner. And at the end of this video, I will show you my technical analysis and the forecast for the probable price action. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here somewhere at this point, and I've told you that we have to have higher lows and higher highs. And as you can see, I drew this line, this slope line, and this line was a very good support. And as you can see, we had a very good bounce just several days ago from this line. And right here we had a resistance, and we broke it with the flying colors with a very good volume. And this breakout is a very good sign from the technical standpoint for this ticker. So let me show you my retrospective analysis of this ticker. I started to make the video about this ticker several months ago, and I nailed these two main accumulation points for the long-term investors, and this point was nailed to the tick. And then we catched this movement to the upside. Then I identified this pattern, and again we hit our target right here, and we have very good profits with this movement. Then we had this decline, and I've told you that invest in this company for the long term was very risky at that point. But for now we have a rather decent position, and I will show you my technical analysis in a minute. But for now, let's continue with the fundamental news of this company. So let's start with the company profile. Ocugen, a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company, focuses on the developing gene therapies to cure blindness diseases. And the main catalyst for now for this company is their strategic partnership with Parad Biotech in the commercialization of Covaxin in the United States and Canadian markets. And I have to say that Ocugen will have 45% of profit from the sales of Covaxin in US and Canada territory. And for now, this company has a total market cap of $1.42 billion. They don't have any revenue at all. They have negative $380. They have a negative net income of $47.29 million, and basically they are burning money. But they have a rather decent cash position of $115.64 million. And they have a rather small debt, total debt of $3.17 million. That's why this company from the financial standpoint is quite stable, but you have to realize that biotech companies that are on R&D mode are extremely risky. And let's continue with the latest news. We are on motleyfool.com, and this article was published on September 13th, and it's titled, "Here's why Ocugen is skyrocketing today." And let me quote you this. Today, sources told Indian news agency Asian News International that the World Health Organization will likely grant emergency use listing for Indian coronavirus vaccine Covaxin this week. And here is another mention about this news. We are on benzinga.com, and this article was published just several hours ago, and it's titled, "World Health Organization gives note to Parad Biotech's COVID-19 vaccine Covaxin expected this week." Benzinga note, Ocugen is a partner with Parad Biotech on COVID-19 vaccine. And this news definitely affects the price of OCGN in a positive manner. And I've told you on my previous video, and I've showed you this list, and this list is official document that was published on August 19th, 2021 on World Health Organization website. And right here we have the Parad Biotech vaccine, and date of the decision date is to be confirmed. And according to this latest news, we will see the confirmation this week. And because of this news, we have massive upside potential for the stock. And let me show you that on top of this, we have more steam from retail investors. And this article is published on Investor Place just 7 hours ago, and it's titled OCGN Stock: What Ocugen Investors Are Saying as Shares Surge Today. And let me quote you this. OCGN stock is a favorite among meme stock traders on Reddit and other forms of social media. When the stock takes off, it's easy enough to head to any of these platforms and find traders that are pumping up shares with posts and tweets. And that's exactly what we are doing today. Let's jump into the most recent discussions about OCGN, OCFN. As you can see, it is a typo. Stock from traders today below. And let me quote you just a couple of mentions. Not gonna get a little OCGN dip scare me. In the past it has run for around a week. I think it has goes for longer than today. Maybe I got in at $3, so I have always been a profit. Should have sold at $15. OCGN is one of those stocks that gets you really happy one day and the other day makes you want to jump off a bridge. So, and right here you can see some tweets about this ticker, and I have to say that this stock still has a very high short float. It is 26.34%, and this means this stock has a rather good short squeeze potential, but we have to be extremely cautious because the support from Reddit Wall Street Bets community and from other retail investors, for example from stock tweets, should be really massive in order to squeeze all these short positions. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what to expect next? As you can see, we have very good volume right here, and we are on a daily time frame. Our next major resistance is at the level of 9.08, and next one is 9.37. So we have a range of resistances right here, and we have to break it, then retest it from the top, and we might have a next leg to the upside. And I have to say that, let me show you more thoroughly on a 1 hour time frame. As you can see, we have some consolidation phase right here, and potentially this consolidation phase has a shape of triangle right here, as you can see. And if my assumption is correct, we might have something like this. This might be the first wave, this is the second, this might be the third one, potentially this is the fourth, and we have to land at the top of our fifth wave. And let's do some measurements. If I project the length of the fifth wave compared to length of the third wave, and for this reason I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from the bottom of the third wave to the top of the third wave and to the bottom of the retracement. And for now we have this as our lowest point. We have our major target at the level of 0.786, because the most common ratio between third and fifth wave is 0.786, and we have the price target of $9.39, and as you can see it has almost to the tick confluence with this level, with this previous top, and that is why in my opinion we should have some reaction from this level, and this is potentially might be our next target. So what to expect next from this asset, and how can you catch this trade? Basically, if you want to catch this trade, just be extremely cautious, because I think we will see the diminishing of interest from retail investors and from the institutional investors as well, and potentially soon we might see some lower price action right after we will finish this wave, and that is why you have to be extremely cautious. So if you want to catch this trade, just ladder your buys down if we will have some more red candles on hourly or 4 hourly time frames. And when we will hit lower targets, we have to have more steam to break this resistance and this previous top of the third wave and this resistance. And our main target might be at the level of 9.39. So from our current price, we might have about, let me show it to you, we might have about 10%, 11% to this target, but if we will see lower price action, potential profits might be up to 15.64%, and it is quite good gains, especially within just several sessions. And I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with the notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!